Imagine you want to build an airplane and you start thinking, you know what? Give me a boat, some wheels. That kite over there? Bigger. No, bigger. Yikes, back up. That's exactly what Sir George Cayley did. He MacGyvered all of that, and next thing you know, he was flying. Look at this thing. And he built this over a century before the Wright brothers took off in their plane. So what's the deal? Why did the Wright brothers claim the title as first in flight? They were the first to fly a powered aircraft, whereas Sir George had no propulsion. Beta. Sir George simply relied on basic principles of aerodynamics and gravity, as gliders do today. Whereas the Wright brothers thought, how do we send it, but for longer? And they strapped an engine to their aircraft the same way that Dodge threw a Hemi in a minivan. 'Cause why not? Well, you've been informed. Thanks for watching Pilotpedia. I'm telling you, facts sound so much better than PIAC.